and it go like, yo. Let me tell them, man, a little man, I'm like Osh. When I pull out the SUS like Shosh. But I got my weapon on, man, right now. Don't care what you left outside in the bush. I remember the first thing a man clapped. Don't make me beat another thing like Hosh. Man, I like, aim it. I could have bullet my dick with the wind go whoosh. Let me tell a dick, a little dick, what I'm thinking. I don't wanna see man on Facebook simping. Man wanna act like drug low kimping. Got beef with shadow, but you don't wanna link him. Can't come right gang with that chain glistening. That won't last 30 seconds swinging. That pussy knows what swords I wield. That pussy knows what swords I'm swinging. Man, I'm on a flex like, man, I'm on a bad man. Till I just swing on my scarf like Shabnam. Them man they try scamming the banks, get skanked and scam when they try do bank scams. Man, I'm on a flex like, man, I'm on a evil. Man, I'm on a never shanked up no people. Don't try come around me with your attitude. Hoop up on a stamp you with a needle. Man, I'm on a flex like, man, I'm on a LD. You ain't from Brixton Hill, you don't met me. Talk about your niggas through corner the art, start chilling with your ops when your niggas went Penji. Niggas ain't shadow over niggas wanna envy. For what you did in the chat with your teddy. Niggas wanna spit like a nigga, I don't get it, nigga. Why nigga? Cause a nigga ain't got the tenny. Shell him. I be your rubber to the devil, I'll sell him. If a side man got a problem with me, I won't Facebook, tell, Insta or bell him. Shell him. See a man slipping on the road and I'll get him. Walk in your daughter to town, I'll get him. Don't try be a daddy, your money, you forgetting. Shell him, no strap, wed him. Why think a nigga got that off a lad? Tell your mom fuck up and I wanna leave us on Zedin. Insta behead him, that's more than a deading. Blood, I just had a bitch come round and I swear my knife got more stains than my bedding. Blood, I just had a bitch come round and I swear my knife got more stains than my bedding. Man alive, I don't get involved. Man, I know you're wicked and you're bad and that you spit cold. I'm like cool, show, true I know though. Most of that shit sold at evil. They ain't a problem, it's being sold. Silence that like a pistol. Should've done over your choo-choo. When I said I'd love for the foo-foo, the sacrifice could've been his soul. For the powers of his codes. Can't sold that round way, get your shit stole. When I'm from the gutter with it balls. With my heart shoved side blood is a blick hole. Clearer than King Roll. Should've ain't got one, said the devil can't take his soul. Man, I've been hell's hotel and it's meant to be hot when the shit's cold. Don't say you trapping when you live though. Which MC keep saying it the best. I don't patience, what a pussy wanna test. Man alive, yes. Dip, all up in your flesh. I don't wanna see man letting out breath. Tell a man don't like, tell a man roll with it. Tell a man don't slip, tell a man take steps. Shanky your wig, then I twist like shreds. Man art best, niggas, that's what you do. Shut over them and I got the shitty and I do you. Might get deep, might make man bleed, or I might just give a little pagan a boo-boo. I don't wanna hear it like a pussy talk do. When I get dick said, niggas ring po. And I do something man for the things like Nunu. Don't run things back, nigga, what voodoo? My spirit way more wicked than voodoo. Man alive, shadow we cuckoo. Beef on the roads, oh, blood on my clothes. That shit there I ain't new to. Dip in a bit, man execute you. Man talk shit, then I won't excuse you. Heard man are looking for me, oh. When you find shadow, then your parents lose you. Might see me with my coast that I crips in blue. Watch your mic like a pussy nigga ram Subu. Them man snitch, that's what I don't do. Rip flesh, can't tell me shit, that's what I do. Ray, you Pokemon, Mewtwo. Tell me what you doing, don't tell me what you used to. Should've be juju, mixed with voodoo. Honest the souls of a trillion Zulus. Man, know my niggas is gorillas and bears. And I hold them animals just like Noah. Bet man thought I was gonna say Zeus do. First wanna cage my gorillas like Zeus do. Shadow villain, man, everyone I write balls or I might use invisible ink like Rudu. Shadow villain.